1 year ago, FSS decided to join Groundworks to break off the limits and expand like never before.
The past year with Groundworks has been outstanding, and the effect that that's had on the crews' families is incredible.
One of the areas that you can see the investment from Groundworks in FSS is in our office space. In San Antonio, we were previously in a 4,000 square foot warehouse. Now we're in almost 20,000 square feet.
We've branched out to 2 other cities, Houston and Dallas.
We have gotten all brand new Hilti tools, top of the line.
Newer trucks, newer equipment, everything across the board that the crews need.
Groundworks has given the ability for FSS to provide training to all levels.
The training development that they've had has grown them to be way quicker, way faster.
You can see the growth in the people. Really shows kind of the power that Groundworks brings to the market.
Customers have benefited from the partnership with Groundworks because Groundworks brings an industry-best experience, and it shows in our online Google reviews. Prior to, we had 98 online Google reviews, and since that time, we've gone to over 225.
FSS partnering with Groundworks has given us the ability to educate our homeowners at a faster pace.
On the sales side, we've had some pretty explosive growth. We were able to grow our sales team from 6 to 18 CFIs.
Our CFIs were doing anywhere from 800,000 to $1 million, and once Groundworks merged, we saw CFIs jump to 1.5 to 1.7 million in just a 5-month span.
We were installing 30 to 35,000 a week, and now our top crews are installing 80 to 90,000 in revenue.
Pre-merge, the best month that ever happened was 1.2 million. Post-merge, it was 2.2 million.
Last year we did close to $11 million in sales. This year we're going to do close to $20 million in sales.
Working here at FSS has impacted my life because I am already seeing the progress that my career is making.
You realize that there's a lot more upward potential for you in a business this large. There's 56 other branches out there nationwide.
One of the ways that Groundworks differentiates itself from other employees is we're an employee-owned company, so every team member at FSS has ownership in the company.
Groundworks has changed the game by offering ownership to all the employees.
We've been able to offer our employees outstanding benefits, the health care that we've been able to provide, also the 401k match.
You're just really valued and treasured as an employee.
We have some of our employees that have been with us from day one. One of them is buying a new house. One of the other long-term employees, they get to move to Dallas and be with her son. When you see things like that, that's what makes it all worth it. In the past 12 months, FSS has seen extreme growth, but I'll tell you this, y'all haven't seen nothing yet.